What's up, everybody?
What we do here is go back.
What's up, everybody? So, I'm actually bored, as you guys know. It's your boy, Super Overlord 9 official. Super Overlord official, Super Overlord 9, I don't really care what you want to call it, but I'm straight up bored right now. I'm having a bit of fun, and I'm just kind of chilling, doing what I want to do, you know? Anyway, I'm actually bored right now. This is from doing stuff at my house, just cutting wood, doing random stuff, you know, stuff that I do. It's not nighttime, obviously. I made the videos before at night, that's why it was dark when I was saying this stuff. I actually like this mask. It's a custom made mask. It's very well put together, fits very well, everything. I'm just kind of walking around, doing stuff outside, being me, you know. I'm just doing, Overlord stuff. Anyway, I've actually gotten a lot bigger since you guys have last seen me, like muscle-wise, everything. I've been doing stuff like this, just being me, cutting up some wood with the chainsaw, just having a little bit of fun. Recently, been doing a lot of stuff, even with the corona. I still go out and about, doing stuff, everything like that. Just have fun, do whatever, really. Being me. Currently playing with a galvanized steel rod. And you guys remember a Ducky YT. Alex, I'm not gonna say anything bad about you. You actually said that you gave up. Did you want to end this, what, now 5, 6, 7 year feud or whatever, how long it was? So I'm willing to end it if you don't post any more negative things in the comments. Now, I'm not going after anybody in this, but half-used wooden pickaxe. You really should watch who you talk to like that. You say I have no respect at all, that I was raised without respect. There's where you're wrong. And you say that they did nothing to me. You're a lying piece of shit for that, bro. Because honestly, people, whether you realize it or not, people take little things that others do multiple different ways. And Savannah, you really trust that lying bitch, Danny. You actually really trust that lying bitch. That's funny. That is actually funny. You actually trust them. That is actually very funny. And in one of the videos, you guys said I was being quiet because I was inside. That's because I have respect for my family and the people that I care about. If I don't care about you, I'm not going to show you respect. If I don't care about your feelings, I'm not going to show you respect, and I'm not going to care what I say about you. That's just how I am. It's just who I am. And just so you guys know, I'm actually standing close enough to this to where I can actually feel the heat of that. Even though it's burning away from me right now, I can still feel the heat off of it. The chemicals that are in that wood are causing it to burn over 1,200 degrees. It's probably burning about maybe 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 degrees right now, just so you guys know. So, it's burning very, very hot. I can feel the heat of it, but it doesn't really bother me, so. It's probably close to 2,000 right now. With the chemicals in it, it will. With the chemicals that they put in that treated lumber, it will. How many of you would have the guts to lay on a dirt mound like this? I don't think very many of you would. As proof there. But out of true honesty, I want to know how you guys actually feel about this whole corona thing, everything like that. I just get really bored and I do these videos and everything like that. I actually, you know, I just had some fun with doing stuff. I had, you know, other things I could do, everything like that. Anyway guys, Overlord out. Have fun. Try not to work too hard. If y'all are working on this corona stuff, you know. Try not to work too hard and have fun.